students, welcome back to biology class. Today we will study about the structure of ear through our textbook. So get ready with your textbook. What are the functions of ear? Yes, there are two functions for our ear. That is hearing and balancing of the body. So let's go through different parts of our ear.
Okay, observe the figure of ear. Ear separated into three parts: external ear, middle ear and internal ear. Then let's study each parts, the main parts of the ear in detail. Then first of all, external ear. These are the parts of external ear. Which is the outermost part of our ear? Yes, that is pinna. What is its function? Yes, it carries sound waves to the auditory canal, this tube. So, pinna carries sound waves to the auditory canal. Then have you observed the pinna of other animals, for example dog, cat? What is the difference here? They can move their pinna to collect the sound waves. Then what about in our case? No, we can't move our pinna freely. So what is the function of pinna? It carries sound waves to the auditory canal. This one is auditory canal. And auditory canal carry the sound waves to the tympanum. Tympanum means the circular membrane present here. So the auditory canal carries sound waves to the tympanum. Then what are the specialities in this auditory canal? Yes, small hairs and wax present inside this canal help to prevent dust and foreign particles. Like in tears, a lysozyme, an enzyme is present in our tear and that will destroy the germs. Like that, same effect is also here. Earwax destroys small germs also. Then there is a circular membrane and that membrane separates middle ear from the external ear. And this membrane is called tympanum. It vibrates in resonance with the sound waves. So these are the parts of external ear, which are the pinna, auditory canal and tympanum. So study the functions of these parts. In that page, you can see the indicators, function of pinna, importance of the auditory canal. So you have to write in your notebook. So next part, that is middle ear. And this is the diagram of middle ear. So middle ear starts from this area. The main parts of middle ear, they are ear ossicles. These are ear ossicles, malleus, incus, stapes. Which are the ear ossicles? They are small, very small bones in our body. The smallest bone in our body, that is called as stapes. So malleus, incus, stapes. So what are their functions? Amplify and transmit the vibrations of the tympanum to the internal ear. So through the ear canal, vibrations reach in the tympanum, sound waves reach to the tympanum. So then tympanum vibrates. And this vibration move through this ear ossicles. Which are the ear ossicles? Malleus, incus, stapes. Malleus attached to tympanum. Okay. Then there is a canal or tube that connects middle ear to the pharynx. So let's see what is the function of this eustachian tube. Then this eustachian tube connects the middle ear and the pharynx. And there is a tube that is called eustachian tube. This tube connects middle ear and pharynx. For what? Yes, it protects the tympanum by balancing the pressure on either side of the tympanum. So it protects tympanum by balancing pressure on either side of it. While we are moving to the depth or at a high distance in high altitude, we can feel we will feel a pain in our ear. So what is the reason for that? This is due to the pressure variation. So certain extent, this eustachian tube helps to maintain the pressure on either side of the tympanum equally. So tympanum protected by this eustachian tube. So these are the parts of middle ear. Middle ear mainly consists of 3 bony or ear ossicles. Bony ossicles or ear ossicles, malleus, incus, stapes. They got their names by their shapes. Then malleus attached to the tympanum. Then next one, that is internal ear. So in your notebook you have to prepare a table by including the parts of middle ear and their function. So don't forget to write in it your notebook. So next one, that is called internal ear. This is the internal ear, diagram of internal ear. Now you observe this figure. What are the functions of ear? We have studied ear has 2 functions. One is hearing and another one is balancing of the body. So internal ear has both these functions, hearing and balancing of the body. Then this internal ear, that is situated in a bony case, that is called bony labyrinth. The internal ear is situated inside a bony case in the skull, that is called bony labyrinth. Then in this bony case there are membranous labyrinths as well. So membranous labyrinths are situated in bony labyrinth. The space inside the membranous labyrinth is filled with a fluid that is called endolymph. And the space between membranous and bony labyrinth is filled with another fluid that is called perilymph. Then here, this one is vestibule. From the vestibule, there starts 3 semicircular canals. And vestibule and semicircular canals are performing the function of balancing of the body. And this part, the snail-like coiled part of this ear, that is called cochlea, and this helps for hearing. So internal ear perform 2 functions, balancing and hearing. Vestibule and semicircular canals performing balancing of the body, but the cochlea has only one role, that is hearing. Okay, then there are 2 nerves are starting here. From the vestibule there is vestibular nerve that gives impulses for balancing of the body, and from there these cochlea, auditory receptors or sound receptors are found in cochlea. So the impulses from these cochlea or sound receptors goes through auditory nerve to the cerebrum, and then we can hear the sound. So there are 2 fluids in the internal ear, that is endolymph and perilymph. Here you can see endolymph inside the membranous labyrinth of the internal ear. Then where we can see the perilymph, the space between membranous and bony labyrinth is filled with a fluid that is called perilymph. And so these are the main parts of the internal ear. Which are they? Semicircular canals, vestibule, cochlea, auditory nerve and vestibular nerve. And semicircular canals and vestibule help in balancing of the body, whereas cochlea helps in hearing.